Hi, I'm attorney John Cannon with Cannon & Associates, fierce advocates for families. I'd like to speak to you briefly today about the benefits of going through mediation in your divorce case. Earlier this week, myself and an associate at the firm conducted a mediation in a very contentious divorce case. Our client had allegations of alcohol abuse and other misconduct, as well as issues related to finances, decision-making authority, as well as visitation schedules and the potential of relocation. Needless to say, there's a lot going on in this case. Both parties were dead set on going to trial, were ready to fight this out, and were ready to let the court decide what would happen. However, our client listened to our advice. We participated in a day-long mediation with an experienced family law attorney in Oklahoma City, and fortunately the parties were able to reach an agreement on all the issues outstanding in their case, but for one, which we believe will be settled the next week. The takeaway from that is that mediation is an opportunity in family law and other types of cases for the parties to sit down with a neutral third party with experience who can hear your side of the case, can hear the other party's side of the case, and can hear argument from your attorney similar to if you were going to trial itself, and then give you feedback and the other party feedback as to what they believe might actually happen if your case went to trial. The benefit of this is that if you decide to resolve your divorce case at the mediation phase, you have control over the outcome. You may not like everything that happens at the mediation, but you control what happens in your life, what happens with your children, what happens with your case. Alternatively, if that case had not settled in mediation this week, our client would be set for trial in the very near future, and the judge would decide who would have custody of the children. The judge would decide who would make major decisions as it related to the children, and the court would decide many other important issues for our client and our client's family. The takeaway that I would like you to have is that mediation is an opportunity for you and your attorney to present your case to someone similar to a judge and let them hear the best arguments you can make. Let them hear what you want and why you want it. And then that neutral third party, who's typically a very experienced family law attorney, will give you their opinion on what they think may happen in court, and hopefully will allow you to resolve your case without the cost, the heartache, and the uncertainty of going to trial in your divorce. I hope this video has been helpful to briefly explain some of the benefits of going to mediation in your divorce. If you have more questions about mediation or about family law in the state of Oklahoma, I welcome you to visit our website, www.jpcannonlawfirm.com, or you can feel free to give us a call for a free confidential case evaluation. Our number is 405-657-2323.